Welcome to Remabotics Maths class.
The past question before us is a BSc 2022 past question, paper 1, number 56. If the bearing of A from B is 053 degrees, that's 053 degrees, the bearing of B from A is dash, that's what? Okay, so first of all, bearing talks about direction, and positions of different objects, using our cardinal points. Very, very important. So we can just draw the 4 cardinal points, which is the north, the east, the south, and the west. Okay, so they said the bearing of A from B. So from B, that means B should be here, because we're trying to get the direction of A from B. So we draw something like this and draw another cardinal point. Okay, north, east, south, and west. Okay, so they said it's 053. Don't forget, the 3-digit form of writing bearing starts from the north pole, and it goes clockwise. So if you have any issue with bearing, please go and look for my introductory video on bearing on YouTube. Just look for it and make sure you take your time to go through it. You will understand the basics of bearing. Okay, let's go. So here is 53 degrees. Okay, now if here is 53 degrees, don't forget this point is point what? A. Yes, that's point A. And the question is, they want to know the bearing of B from A. That means the whole of this angle. Yes. And I'm going to call the whole of that angle theta. But this, first of all, this small angle, I'm going to call it X. Yes. And how can I get that angle? This angle is equal to 53. Why? Because alternate angles are equal. So why are they equal? Because this line is parallel to this line. So automatically, if we use one of the angle laws, which says that whenever you have an angle here and you have an angle here, and they are alternate, those two angles are what? Equal. I've also done a video on angle laws. Go to my YouTube channel, you will see it. Okay, so finally, to get theta is equal to, now from here, the north to the south is 180 degrees. Add the value of x to it. So that will give us 180 plus 53, which is 3. That's 233 degrees. Okay, so that's the 3-digit form of writing the bearing. But if we want to put it in the compass bearing form, yes, or the cardinal form, then we are going to look at where this angle is. If you watch from here to here, it is heading to the west. So it will be south. That means 233 degrees is equal to south. Now we have to work with the acute angle, which is 53 degrees. So from here to here is 53 degrees, and it's heading to the what? West. So this is south, 53 degrees what? West. So either you write it in this form or you write it in the 3-digit form. You are absolutely correct. So thank you so much for being part of today's episode of the Remabotics Math class. See you on the next.